On March the 2nd at MWC 2026 in Barcelona, Vivo revealed the powerful X300 Ultra, a smartphone designed like a professional camera. With ultra-pixel imaging and extreme zoom capability, this device is aiming to dominate 2026. Let's explore everything unveiled at the seminar. It's a 200-megapixel ultra camera machine with insane long-range zoom power. Today, we're covering everything revealed about its powerful back camera system and pro-level features. Welcome to My Technological World. Hit the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel. On 2nd March 2026, Vivo officially conducted a dedicated technology seminar during Mobile World Congress 2026 in Barcelona, where the spotlight was firmly placed on the Vivo X300 Ultra. This was not a traditional product launch, but a focused presentation aimed at media, creators, and industry professionals to demonstrate Vivo's latest advancements, especially in mobile imaging. The seminar was designed to showcase Vivo's long-term vision for smartphone photography and videography. A major portion of the session revolved around the rear camera system of the X300 Ultra. Vivo highlighted its ultra-high-resolution main sensor and advanced telephoto technology, explaining how the phone is engineered to capture extreme detail while maintaining natural colors and accurate exposure. The brand emphasized long-distance photography, demonstrating how the X300 Ultra can handle distant subjects without heavy quality loss. The message was clear. This device is meant to behave more like a compact camera than a typical smartphone when it comes to zoom and clarity. During live demonstrations, Vivo showcased the phone's ability to capture subjects from far distances using its enhanced telephoto system. The company explained how optical precision, sensor size, and intelligent processing work together to deliver clear images even at very high zoom levels. This was positioned as a solution for wildlife, sports, travel, and city photography. So guys, this is fresh information about new Vivo X300 Ultra. I hope you like it. Please tell us in the comment section. For more videos, hit the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel My Technological World. Thanks for watching.